Hey everybody, it's Bishop Barron. I want to report to all of you this wonderful good news that our book, This Is My Body, which I wrote for the Eucharistic Revival, has sold out. Now, we printed 300,000 copies of that book, and we've emptied out the warehouse. As I say, this is wonderful news because we want that book to get out as widely as possible, and so lots and lots of people are using it. A lot of pastors have bought them in bulk for their parishes, so it's marvelous. In 5 days, we've sold 300,000 copies. Now, with the good news goes a little bit of bad news, because now we're sold out, and it's going to take us a little while to recoup. It might be 5 or 6 weeks before we can send the next batch. You know, it's a bit like when we sold the Word on Fire Bible, Volume 1, that beautiful book. We ordered 50,000 copies of that, thinking, oh, this will last us certainly until Christmas. Well, that sold out in about a week, and then we were stuck because we had to wait, again, a long time for more to come in. So this time around, we said, well, remember the lesson of the Word on Fire Bible, let's get enough copies. So we had 300,000 made, thinking, oh, this will certainly last us through Christmas. Well, it lasted 5 days. Now, here's my message to everybody. We should rejoice in this wonderful distribution of these books, but also don't give up. If you want to buy a copy, just order it. Pastors order them. They'll be here in, as I say, like 5 or 6 weeks. The parish phase of the Eucharistic Revival begins on June the 10th on Corpus Christi, but I imagine most of you, your parish programs won't start until the fall. So the book will be here certainly by then. So good news, we've sold out. Bad news, they're not available for a little while, but go ahead, please order them from the website and you'll get them before you know it. Keep praying for the success of this project to distribute this book as widely as we can, and God bless you.